Success comes to those too busy to be looking for it. All hard work brings a profit, but mere talk leads only to poverty. Proverbs 14:23. Success doesn't chase those who sit around waiting for it. It finds those so focused on building, learning, and executing that they don't even have time to wonder if they're winning. Too many entrepreneurs waste time talking about success instead of doing the work that creates it. The truth is, when you're consistent, disciplined, and committed to your craft, success becomes a byproduct, not a pursuit. Keep your head down, build, learn, execute. Don't wait for perfect timing, create momentum through motion. Because the people who win aren't always the loudest, they're the busiest doing what matters most. Stay planted, keep grinding, success will find you working.